Good morning, everybody. I'm meteorologist Matt Beitcher. It is a downright disgusting day here in Westchester. You see the heat watch in effect for northern Westchester. That means temperatures feel like 100 to 105 degrees and that it is dangerous to be outside and exerting yourself today. Down on the south of 287 in southern Westchester, we actually have an excessive heat warning, which is even worse. It means temperatures will feel like 110 degrees possibly in some localized areas. On the satellite and radar, you see these early showers moved through and they have gone. So we're getting a break in for sunshine, but that's all part of the unstable air. It's not going to last, unfortunately. The convection is going to start building more storms. This will stay to our west, this frontal system behind me, and we are not going to get into that anytime soon. That would actually bring us some relief, but it's going to stay to our west. These temperatures, you should really disregard them because the real feel over 95 degrees, that's what matters, really. The temperatures in the mid-80s plus the humidity makes it feel gross. Today, a high of 94 degrees, it will feel much worse, like 105 to 110, really. So you can't really even get relief anywhere, even at the beaches. Tonight, 79 degrees, a few storms, otherwise mostly cloudy. The humidity will make it feel like the mid to upper 80s. Yeah, at night. It's definitely an air conditioner day. Coming up, we're going to take a look at your futurecast to plot out these storms as well as how it will feel over the next 24 hours and the rest of your week on your 7-day outlook. Not only is it going to be a scorcher today, it is going to be humid, disgustingly humid. 94 degrees is going to be the high, but it will feel like 105 to 110. Let's take a look at why all this humid air is coming in through our area. It's because of this jet stream, this very powerful and stagnant jet stream. It's just sitting there in the middle of the United States. The dry air to the west of it is trying to advance, but it's not going to. It's not going to be able to push out this humid tropical air, which is being funneled in by that jet stream. And it's through Saturday into Sunday, that moist tropical air is going to stay over our area, and this dry air to the west of us will stay there. And unfortunately, we're going to get that more humid, tropical, disgusting weather with the convective thunderstorms throughout the day. On the heat index, it feels like 104 degrees in Yonkers at 4 o'clock this afternoon. That's disgusting. As we go into the night, it still feels pretty warm. At 7:55, when you think, okay, it's cooling down, the sun's setting, still feels like 100 degrees in Yonkers, 97 in Greenburgh, 99 in Ossing, and 97 in Bedford. And as we go into the night around 12 o'clock, you think, okay, maybe it feels like the 70s. It feels like 87 still in Yonkers. Yonkers is going to be a hot spot tonight, 80 almost in Greenburgh and 77 in Bedford. Coming up after the break, we're going to take a look at your 7-day outlook as well as plot out the storms on our futurecast. It's definitely an air conditioner type of day, folks. 94 degrees is the temperature we're going to hit today, but it really will feel like 100 to 105 degrees. So definitely an awful day to be outside to do anything active, anything at all. Let's track out the storms on Futurecast. 6:30, that's when the storms to our north and west start to move through the area. A bad band goes through. Saturday morning starts off pretty nicely. Then Saturday night into Sunday morning, that's when the convection starts up again. The thunderstorms come through. They roll out of our area. Sunday starts off pretty nicely. And the same thing happens. More thunderstorms come in for the evening hours. And then they clear out pretty quickly. Monday starts off pretty nicely. And it doesn't show it here, but thunderstorms again. On the 7-day outlook with the weekend always in view, Saturday and Sunday looks like we're going to have a bit of a heat wave. We might not make it on Sunday. I think we're going to be a little bit cooler than that 90 degrees in some areas. Monday, 88 degrees with thunderstorms. Tuesday and Wednesday looking a little bit cooler, still humid, still very humid, and thunderstorms definitely in the forecast. Thursday, we finally dry out, 85 degrees. We start to get less humid and a little bit more comfortable, and by Friday, when we get back to 86 degrees, it's going to look pretty darn nice to end your next week. You're watching News 12.